I got my trailer here. I'm going to pull the 96 Cobra out because I want to swap the tires. So I'm going to pull these rims off. I want to get better tires on here so I can get ready to take this thing to the drag strip. Hopefully this thing starts. I haven't driven this in a while. I got a little jumper box in there now. See if it'll start again. Alright, so this thing's got a built engine. I've had this car for probably 20 years. I built this engine probably 15 years ago. It's got Manley internals, Novi 2000 supercharger with the air-to-air intercooler up front, doing a blow through, and I got the external blow-off valve, so it makes some cool noises. The interior's been pretty much gutted to reduce weight. Got no heater core, no AC, nothing like that, no stereo. It's all been taken out. This car weighs right at about 3,000 pounds. So I like the look of these old Weld racing rims, but I'm going to swap them out for some bullet rims just so I can change out the tires, get them ready for the drag season. All right, so here it is with the bullet style wheels. Let me know what you like better in the comments below, or if you got any questions about it, feel free to ask. One thing I do like about this setup is how wide the back tires are.